Here we have a radio control car. This is a 2200 milliamp hour battery. This is a power distribution board, 45 amp capable. This is an FSIA6 6-channel receiver with here's a Metal Gear servo. It's an MGS90. That's a 6000Z bearing. These tires are from a Meccano set, MECCANO set. They come part of a kid set, Meccano set. These are 3D printed rims. They take about 37 minutes each to print. These are 2300 kV motors for a quadcopter. I opted not to use the front motors, so I went ahead and disconnected them. The rear motors are connected into their own individual ESCs. There's a cap that came with the PDB. It actually came with something else, but I put it on the PDB anyway. I have bullet connectors. I'm using XT60 FSI6 transmitter. Turn this on. Alright, so I do that. I link these up. Goes crazy for a second. Turn the transmitter off. Everything arms. For testing purposes, I'm just going to put it kind of hanging off the desk here. Let me see if I can get this to work. Okay. There we go. I'll just hold it up. Well, there we go. Anyway, it's got steering too. Thanks for watching. Download the files in my GrabCAD.